Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Netflix password step by step clearly. Open the Netflix app on your phone or go to Netflix.com on your computer. Make sure you are on the sign-in screen, not already logged in. Click or tap Sign In to see the login page. Select the option that says Need Help or Forgot Password. Choose email or text message depending on what you can access right now. If you choose email, type the email address you used for your Netflix account. Double-check the spelling of your email address to avoid mistakes. Click or tap Email Me to request a password reset link. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Netflix. If you do not see it, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders. Open the Netflix email and click the Reset Password link. If the link opens in a browser, confirm it is the official Netflix page. Create a new password that is long and unique. Avoid using old passwords or easy words like your name or birthday. Type the new password again to confirm it matches exactly. Click or tap Save or Update Password to complete the change. Go back to the Netflix sign-in page after the password is updated. Enter your email address and your new password to sign in. If you chose text message, enter the phone number connected to your account. Tap Text Me and wait for the SMS code from Netflix. Open the text message and copy the verification code. Return to Netflix and paste or type the code into the required field. Create a new password when Netflix asks you to set one. Confirm the new password by typing it a second time. Tap Save or continue to finish the reset process. If you cannot access your email or phone, select the option for Account Recovery Help. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity and regain access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.